Welcome back, everyone. It's me, Paranoia. I wanted to give you an idea of what we're doing today. We're gonna be doing something with hopefully like just black and some other kind of dark colors because I want to kind of spin off another Tim Burton kind of look. That's what I'm looking to do. But I did not wash my brushes. Gonna put my hair up. I'm thinking about cutting my hair too. Cutting it would be kind of cool. Maybe shave this out? Yeah. Oh, I just wanted to let you guys know what my inspiration here from. It's actually from the image I saw online. Noticed who it was. I was like, oh my gosh, I like watch their TikToks. Alice Bizarre did this like Tim Burton, like really cool looking. Hopefully it's gonna kind of, I don't want to like totally steal the idea. I just want to kind of make it my own. So yeah. Just say that I'm gonna base the color mostly black, but I also want to base the colors off of the pricked palette. So that's what I think I'm gonna do here. I'm just gonna be inspired by it to use them. I think that would be a good idea. I do have a little bit of MakeupAMurder orange fatale. And it's still going to be like a Tim Burton inspired look. Put some Mehron on my eyeballs because that is what we do. I did not do eye cream day for my skincare because we want to skip that step just in case it gives me that weird texture that it normally does. I just don't like that's underneath here. We're going to use our trusty chibi hair Mehron. I heard if you spread it out with your fingers, maybe it'll be a little bit better. So we're going to see what happens there. I normally don't like to get it on my hand. Have enough heat in order to blend it out really well. I actually agree with this. The eyelid, because I always do my eyelids first. Then it's the garbage man. Today's video in Paranoia's life, she's featuring the garbage man. Come on down, garbage man. He's following me anyway. Then we're gonna take a blendy tool and then we're just gonna flip it out. As I said, if you don't have any on, then it's just gonna take it off. Have to sometimes do things that I must do. So what we got in the pricked palette is kind of like fall-like colors. I'm trying not to use MakeupAMurder, but I might. You never know. What I was thinking about doing was, we're going to take board. We're just going to tap that in here. A lovely brush here. Just kind of doing it. We're going to use the trusty dusty tape. Get over it. Literally, okay, whatever. I can always edit this. So literally, this disgusts me so much. Like, I just... Oh, by the way, this is Slice Me Open, the purple color. We're just lightly tapping that in, you know what I mean? Tapping that in. These two are different. I hate that. Why do I always do that? They're like kind of, I'm tired of it. It is everything personal against you. This is Slice Me Open. Bit of Deadly Intentions, which is a black, right into the corner. Just gonna take the same brush that I use for the color for. Gonna go over, just kind of blending the black in just a little bit. Not much. We're not putting much pressure either. And then we're taking the brush, just spread this, and we're just going over it. Oh, the garbage man. Oh, the garbage man. He's coming to pick up me. I'm the garbage. I said I wasn't gonna use MakeupAMurder, but I just did. But that's because one of these colors in the pricked palette looks like MakeupAMurder. I'm like, well, wouldn't it be cool if just MakeupAMurder was on your eye? Take the MakeupAMurder neon red. We're just gonna do the same thing we did with the orange. Me out all the time. I'm always grossed out by it. So ugly. I hate them. Adding the Deadly Intentions to my eye again. I will not feel bad when these fires all drown. Sliver of Sanity. I'm gonna put some burgundy in here. Just feel like there's no transitional color. I don't like that. Between the orange and the purple. I'll put some orange in between the red. Some red in between the purple. Much better. I don't know where it stopped. What we did was take up MakeupAMurder, neon, pastel, poison, and just putting it on your face with the blendy brush. It on, and I feel like we lost the orange, definitely somewhere in the yellow, and tapping it on there. Totally not Tim Burton-y, but in. And we're taking Jeffree Star's black. This is black. I love how black it is. Blending it into the black paint. Just taking some of the purple, which is Slice Me Open. Okay, so what I did was I just added a little bit of purple, which is Slice Me Open. So then we have more of a dimension with this eye, because I feel like this eye is missing dimension and missing everything. Now we're taking Slice Me Open. I don't know. I should have went with burgundy instead of like black. That would, like black with burgundy would have worked. Setting spray. It's just elf. Yo, just want to show you how it went, how we turned out here. So this is where we got. Shalom. Just wanted to show you how it turned out, and so sorry about my battery dying and me not having extra batteries, but yeah, you have a great day and thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.